Hello people and welcome back to Collin Dashcam channel that features only the greatest moments ever caught on driver's dashcam, and we'll start today's episode off with a crazy driver who started chasing the biker down the road.
Look at that. Oh, straight going on YouTube.
Looking! Good move.
We have a self-entitled driver who didn't care about the biker's well-being on the road, as he cut right in front of him without bothering to look at all.
Whoa! What are you doing? Idiot. You cut right across in front of me. Right across in front of me. There are two lanes going to the roundabout. You didn't leave me enough room on the inside. You just cut straight across. No, I had to brake. Watch yourself on YouTube. You'll be on there tonight. And then you cut across in the lane as we were going round. Stick to your own lane. Give people enough room.
Two guys got into a heated conflict at a gas station, and the reason you won't believe. Stay tuned for this one and make sure to write me your opinion about it as well.
Hello.
Coming on me for Corona. Sorry? What is Corona for? Well, that's nice. You came right up next to me. Keep your 2 meters.
What?
2 meters distant.
Yeah, 2 meters. I mean, such thing as a coronavirus.
Get off your anti-Doris Facebook page and actually read the science. You God.
There was absolutely no need to pull out in front of the biker like that, especially since there was no one behind him, but this crazy Karen still did it, and she incurred the biker's wrath.
Window down. What's the point in pulling out on me when there's nothing behind me, you stupid?
This video is another proof that speeding can only get you in trouble, and this biker nearly got into 2 accidents because of that. This rude BMW driver cut right in front of the camera, but if you think that's the worst part of the video, you're gravely mistaken. Stay tuned to see what happened next. Not the greatest idea this driver's ever had, for sure. Pulling out onto the road while your view is blocked is definitely not safe.
But it's bigger, and when was the last time you were in something of this size that had a V8 that wasn't a C63, which is now gone,
I mean, yeah, the back seats aren't very comfortable.
Yeah, but the CT5 Blackwing is so good and it doesn't feel any bigger than this.
Oh my God, what are you doing? Whoa, that car just, it's a one-way. Why do guys keep doing that? Oh no. Oh man.
Where are you going?
What a turd.
Bikers are allowed to filter, but apparently this angry van driver thinks otherwise, and he purposely tried to force the biker out of his lane, nearly knocking him down. And the biker, well, he was furious to say the least.
It's green, dumb.
Being on someone's tail is really dangerous and risky. For example, what if someone runs out onto the road? That would mean that the driver in front of the queue has to slam on their brakes, and if you keep your distance way too tight, you will end up hitting them. Never do that.
Ja, joh, een dom. Ik bliksem jou spieel af, kon. Ik bliksem jou spieel af. Stupid.
It will be really advisable to pay attention at your rear view mirrors while reversing, because you can never know if a biker, a pedestrian, or even another vehicle is right behind you. Check before making your move. And with this video, we conclude another amazing episode on Collin Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning something valuable out of all the fails you saw. If you like this type of content, feel free to leave a like, because we will really appreciate that. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next episode, drive safe and watch out for all the crazy drivers out there.